All right, so my people, yes, so TGIF on top of Talk. Thank God it's Friday. I tell you, and today now the last working day of the month.
Oh yeah.
True. Yes, today now the last working day of the month. So all of now we want to turn up with care.
Turn it up.
All right, so yes, so we don't come on top of Talk today. Will be Friday, yes, from 2 o'clock go reach 3 o'clock. Now we go be the faces where you go see on top of your television, on top of our Wazobia TV channel 195. Yes, not change that down. Instead, increase the volume. In short, on the 2 TV, hold your 2 remote like this because now we they in charge right about now. Yeah. All right, so now no say on Friday, so what they do now our comedy Friday on top of Talk. Yeah, so we they make it in a comic way, even though we they talk matter way they serious, but we they bring them down because we don't give you motivation, we don't inspire you, we don't talk about family, we don't talk about throwback. What's happen? We could turn them down, we could make you laugh for out there. You said get the opportunity to make you take put mouth inside the matter, so we go talk today. Go on top of our Twitter handle, make you do them as it's supposed to be for there, at Talk for Wazobia. Go on top of Facebook, go on top of Instagram, make you go do what you're supposed to do for there, because for here, we are family. We know they see you, but you they see us, and we they see what you they send to us. Make I know waste no time. Now, dear, my own name still remain Queen B. Oh, Balo. I'm not going to change that name because if I say they sit Michael Uncle. But from here, they're going to introduce themselves one by each.
Yes, we have come again. And today na Friday, and my body you have come and be gingering like a ginger and garlic.
I see as you turn up.
turn up. Yeah, so my name still remains Betiana Unweli, and I tell you I don't ready as I day here like this. Once we finish, now turn up things.
Look at me. Tell me what? Look. Man, we don't come back. You don't be the only guy with the handle every handle everybody. All the babes with here. Now so guys for Friday, they envy me. Mr. Producer, tell me so you know which day are you there. Yes, my name is Bernard, the only guy with among ladies. Blessed are me among women. Turn it up, man, from here. Man, you know how they do.
Well,
Bernard.
Hey,
Bernard. My people now good afternoon. Bernard just dey happy as in just dey hyper because it's a Friday. As me self, I dey hyper. I want go turn it up. My name na Amaka. Only me one go turn up.
Well, if not, they borrow the shocky I do.
And now we let that shocky.
I no borrow.
I don't know.
My shocky they very expensive now. One close like that.
For you. He's in one eye.
All right, AKA Mr. Handle Self. They inside the building today with us. Brotherly, how far? Since yesterday, today, you don't deal with us. I hope say weekend you go feel rest well because we don't deal with you.
I never even start. You say you don't deal with me. I never open shop yet.
And again, you know the only thing when they pay me say, better they join us. Because it go they know we women's secrets. Go they know, because they know everything about us. They know.
Is they okay? Say it there, may know the secret. So you go out there, preach the gospel. Okay. So that then go learn.
No learn for only.
No learn for only yourself.
Not
be a selling fish.
No,
make it not be a selling fish. If you go to selling meat.
No, me I no go learn for myself now. I will go there, but I go sell the secret. Who want to make come pay? So now everything is marketable. If it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense.
Money matter.
All right, so my people, we still get cocoa of the day we'll go bring for you, and we still get body kaja we'll go sunshine later. Yes, food where we dey chop. Some people just say now only 9 day we dey talk about rice today. But I don't know whether these people know about different kind of rice.
Why not?
But hey, we'll go still talk about rice today. But before that, make we know who be. You know, say on Fridays we they bring you our celebrity crush. That's person where we they celebrate on top of Talk every Friday. Today we get one ogbonge lady. We don't do better things for our industry. But we no go on waste your time. We go on make you watch this one. Come body with us. We they come back after you watch out.
My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guests they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Mono Woro, Magic Aniko Daedro.
All right, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now, people like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That oh yeah, keep watching talk now.
Hey, my people, have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwa J1 and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
Alright, so our celebrity crush for this week na Oluwafunmilayo Aduke Iyanda. Yes, so now she be that way you dey see. Dem born her for 27th for July 1971. I won't say 2007. But people know her as Funmi Iyanda. And she be award-winning broadcaster, journalist, and blogger and communist. Iyanda don't attend Herbert Macaulay Secondary School for Lagos. And she also don't do better things. And she attend one international school for Ibadan. Oh, okay. It be like say my producer talk say he gets all the way go follow this
leader
picture.
and still can't name him as one of four. Our today's celebrity crush na Olufunmilola Aduke Iyanda, but everybody sabi am as Funmi Iyanda. She be award-winning broadcaster, journalist, columnist, and blogger. She attended Herbert Macaulay School inside Lagos State before she come waka enter University of Ibadan, where she come graduate with BSc for Geography. Now she produce and still host The New Dawn with Funmi, wey been dey air for a federal television station for 8 years. She now na the CEO of Ignite Media, where they operate outside Lagos. For inside 2011, the World Economic Forum honor am with the young global leader and still can name am as one of Forbes' 20 youngest power women in Africa. Funmi dey very well known for all her plenty love and care, as well as her modeler shape. Until today, she na ever looking 20.
I know some Amaka in short hero. And we actually did this one because Amaka actually want to see her for her birthday. She said she wish she could go with her on her birthday. But because we don't feel bring her come now, we say we could do this jollimentation for you. We could give you infotainment about her. So Amaka, now you don't dey come.
Una try. But I know say next time una go fit surprise me with Funmi Iyanda, you know. I don't go mind.
Right.
Funmi Iyanda, in case you just hear Sha, just in case.
All right, so my people, now she be our celebrity crush for this week. All right, I'm going to move to our number 2 story for today. Yes, so. When I know say yesterday we talk about Zanaya, that lady waiting for Zendaya. I know vex. I know be Disney girl. That Disney actress who don't come grow up now, come enter Grammys. I been which one she go safe? Now Grammy now she go where she carry the dread for head where Gina Ramsey can't make comments where Kelly Osbourne thinks say the matter where they talk, you know, suit her, say she no like within them talk. Now the girl don't come agree, she don't come collect the beg matter where they beg her, and she don't talk say yeah she don't hear. After all, the person wey insult herself na her friend because all na TV packaging. So I dey ask, how na take think say una fit take control of una anger because it no be everybody dey easy for to come public eye where they don't talk about you like as we dey here now for TV. More we just talk about somebody say this person kolo mental, he shaking it con, he do this one, he do that one. Then tomorrow morning you can't tell the person say I'm sorry.
See happy love.
Then you can't tell the person. Sorry, but the apology, Menisha.
No, that the acceptance.
Yes, okay, the acceptance
of apology.
But the insults no many reach this one now. No, but now true the insult, they don't say she carried dread.
Where they smell like something.
Like cannabis.
Smell like weed.
Yes, they just give her name. Just carry dread like cannabis. The next minute you can't write this whole page. That means that she accepts the apology.
Oh boy, you accept that.
Wholeheartedly. She don't want to remember the matter again. So make she go meet people for. Okay, make I allow my people to talk for this one because me I don't go want to take control. But I just feel say, again anytime when any of us here don't already like fall into anger and the thing really pain you. You don't even know as you want to take the anger, how you manage that anger, that moment.
Well, first of all, before I talk my own, then get with
Why you laugh?
I go tell you. My laugh no tea. When I say the girl here, they smell like Igbo, this will first come my mind. Me say, if you tell me my hair smell like Igbo, on Sunday nights, I'll carry you go barber salon. If I barber fish, we put her for mass more.
See, man, tell you now coming back. That's when you use yab person. The way
No,
when
wow.
you take response to the
I go
yab.
throw you
that's
back.
so
Who
nice.
you be?
But now you come now Kelly husband can actually make and real
No,
insult.
man, now.
No, even the girl self they offended.
Well, tell you.
If you read,
Nah,
if
she
you read
tell
the
you.
apology, you go see.
Before the apology, she tell you say she did.
Before the
answer.
apology, she put am for the same Instagram. Now, if you go to Instagram, go see her. She put like 2 epilogues.
Anyway, the truth
She
is,
like to write.
the
I
truth is,
noticed.
Abi, you don't see the plenty rights. I'm not paying you. Now, wow. Even if I dey type for phone self, the guy will tell you, say, guy, I better call me back. You don't too much. But, but the thing is, say, well, anger, they get us. Anger na bad thing. Because the truth where I know be say, if you carry person for mind, even if the person don't offend you, if you dey angry carry am for mind, your mind go dey heavy you. The person if you don't even know say you offend yourself, you go dey carry am for mind. But the best way to solve anger na just not to respond. Oyibo say silence is golden, and na true. I no go lie you. If person dey vex with you, dey vex for you, whether na authentic vex o, abi na fake vex, anything wey dem talk, no be every time you suppose respond to something. Most of the time, sef, people wey vex you, they dey expect say make you respond so that they will begin dey pour the anger more. But when you no respond, at that time, guilty conscience go dey worry them for mind. For me, the best thing to do when that person don't talk, just keep quiet. Now other people go carry your matter for you. They go buy your fight. True, you go see that's what they happen. For me, that's why they work am. True.
Well, for me, wetin I don't learn for my lifetime now, say when you dey angry, you dey vex, you dey boil, anything where you do at that time, you no go fit take am back.
Of course.
So you need to know how to actually handle your situation. Person like me, I know they quick vex. But when I vex,
You know they
I
fine for
feel
eye.
do, you know they fine for eye. I feel do anything. So if you vex me, I go simply make sure say I avoid you. I feel waka comot. They follow me talk, I no go follow you talk. I no go respond because anything go make me say, you don't over. My anger no dey good. So that one, I feel they vex and I dey do transfer of aggression as well. So if I dey vex where you can't they put, maybe the person they ask me say, what's happen? I go just tell you say, I know they the mood. So if I don't tell you that, I know they the mood, waka. Because anything you say after that one, na your own taronkocha. Simple and short.
But no, seriously, I feel say if you want to control your anger, everybody gets
There are
different ways of controlling their anger. But it go better if you let them go that instance. No keep them. Because if you keep and see, like in talk and you keep and you're going to kill yourself. You go just the old. The person where they follow vex, you go
No, we
just
won't send
smile,
you.
no even whether you vex. You go pass, you go say, hey, bro, say good morning, eh?
You go dey do
You go do,
You go dey carry nose go up.
carry
and
nose
listen
go
to
up,
the
carry
smell.
you go dey yimu, dey yimu.
Okay, but I want to ask, which one be the better way to make sure say you let your anger go? Because as you take talk and you say you feel say make you just let am go that moment, it no dey easy. I want to ask these 3 questions.
Okay.
To walk away, to respond to the person, make the person know say you vex, or make you no talk at all. Which one dey
If
okay?
you know yourself, you know the one wey go suit you.
Okay.
To some people, they know say they get very bad tongue.
Okay.
As in they do, they better than talk. Say if you do akpeka, you should talk like this.
You
And
let
you
her
go
talk,
run, So because she know herself, she go waka comot.
Okay.
You know,
Other person, me, I know myself. I feel like you. I will verse with. I feel a verse. I will tell you, say I don't like her.
Okay, Bernard.
Bend
Ma,
you don't say before my verse, he know they fine. In fact, before when they sing that song, I mean they follow thought. That's why they say, I am a naked wire from above. I am a naked wire. If you touch me, I will shock you. Now maybe that too. If you verse me before, my shock, you go pass your body and tell your papa. But now I don't calm down because I notice, say, man, really, vex no they pay. Just like Betana talk, if you dey vex, the thing where you feel do, if he pass the thing where vex you say,
Yes.
it go spoil double. Oyibo say, don't take decisions under emotion.
Yes.
If na vex you dey vex, you just decide say because you dey vex you do something. They get one story about King Midas. Say because in dey happy, don't too happy. They say the first thing way anything way thought go turn to gold. He just dey happy. The first thing way see na in daughter, she touch the daughter, she turn to gold.
Gold.
Na emotion be that.
Yeah.
You know. So if you dey vex, if you be say you dey scatter anything, the person wey come na your friend, you scatter in eye join. Too much vex no dey good. So the best thing, let the person know say you don't offend, but usually no be at that time.
Okay.
When you don't vex, because your decision go dey, it go don't change. You know go feel know what you do. Just walk away. Just come up for the area, make you clear your mind. When you don't clear your mind, come back, let the person know, say, oh boy, hey, you touch my naked wire.
I know let her repeat
I know just
itself.
because the way I go shock you, you would say na nepa office
Yeah.
they work. I dey tell you.
Well, for me, it depends. Now, two things. You need to know your kind of person, number one. The last option, it just they out, totally out. I don't go say make you no talk at all because you need to let the person know. Say this thing where you do vex me, so that next time the person no go do am. So you need to know the kind of person where you be. I get person where be say if she don't talk am at that moment, she feel explode. Na chika be that. She need to tell you one-on-one, say nah, no like am, I no like am. And once she talk am, it don't end. So if you know say you be that kind of person, oh well, and go tell the person once and for all and make the thing come out for inside your system. But then, on the other hand too, if you know say, but like me, I know like a public display, I know like embarrassment. So for me to they shout on you, I no go feed do them unless say you don't reach me here. So I rather walk away. Then when I don't calm down, I come back. I tell you, say, see, nothing where you do, respect yourself, and then it end. But say when you keep quiet, when you no talk at all, you go, oh, that one no good.
No, but ma tell now my own be say, are they quick vex?
We know.
You know.
Because I just feel say you supposed to know this thing. My most elder brother, I don't say they watch me right now. Now they always tell me this thing. He say no, tell me sorry because you be adults. You know say you're not supposed to do this thing. So for you to come tell me say sorry, that means you intentionally make me vex.
No.
That na in own. Now you own,
okay, that
way
way
you think can be that. So,
opinion.
but then it go be like say I slap her, but I no go fit talk like. Why are you saying this to me? I don't intentionally do it. And what me do? Maybe I try to like tone the matter down so that it no go lead to another thing. But something they quick irritate me. You understand? They quick irritate me. Like I go they expect you to know the thing like on your own you're supposed to know them. And I go react that time. I understand say sometimes I know they talk the way I supposed to come because somebody will say, I know say you vex, but you overreact. But with time now, I don't quite understand. Say, you know what? So I am. Then later when you want to come. But the problem that time, I don't listen to myself. I get the problem of I quick forget something. As it happen when I talk, if second person asks me now, say, what thing happened just now? I know if he tell you the story exactly
as it be.
But because I not really listen to myself, say, oh, see my own weakness. So the person go use what thing I talk that moment. They judge me. So people no go know what thing really happened.
And you know this way you talk so many people they experience some.
Yes.
But they no go fit take care of them.
Yes. So I don't come try to tell myself, say, you know what, keep quiet. Study what thing happen. React the normal way you're supposed to react and let's go. All right, so we dey go small shikini break because when we come back, we will go on top of our third story and by the time our guests have come in to come and sit down with us, we is coming back.
Paka.
So my people, we don't come back here. So we don't come back. Run, make you go on top Twitter at Talk for Wazobia. Make you do am as supposed to be for there. We don't tell you about Fumi and Yonda. We be our celebrity crush for Friday. Yonda, abi. Yonda. Sorry, I don't be Yoruba.
You the best me. I be the get crush for that lady. You know, vest me for you.
Oh, so you are following us
today. All right, then. Then the second one, we don't talk about the feud where she don't fight Zendaya. Zendaya. Oh Lord.
That name sound like Hausa name.
She be Hausa. She
America. Okay, we don't tell you about her. Say she don't accept the apology where Juliana Rancic don't give her. She says she don't accept them from her heart of hearts. And the whole letter which she write to her to tell her thank you. In many day for her internet for there. You feel still go there, make you still join body with us. Tell your own part of the story. Make you read the message as it's supposed to be. All right, we don't come to join our number 3 story. This one I know say if you happen for Nigeria. So many people go travel, go there, me then see. What's in happen? This one happened for Dubai, February 11. As for the major road for there for Dubai, people where they pass, they drive motor for there. They just notice say, Dirham just the rain. That one are their own naira for there. Just the rain of money. Money just the fall. People just they confused for mirror. They park their cars. They pick. Can't see Betiana in action.
Video.
They pick money. Now the video now you watch this. What thing happen? Everybody confused. They don't know where this thing they come from. Naim police can't go up there or go look for how the thing take happen, what thing they happen, but they thought say they still investigate the matter. They don't know where this money, the rain come from. See men, able men, fathers, fathers are young.
You say that able men, say that disabled men. That's supposed to. Now what for you?
People, papa.
So imagine say you see 1,000 naira they fly for road. When I know say Nigerians, we don't already talk something about this one. Say in case you see money for Orita Meta, whether you go carry am. This one they rain and they don't see where the money they come from. My talk people, including Bernard, aka
Hando. Yes, sir.
If this thing happen for Niger, you shall pick the money or you no go pick the money. I want to know. I want to know, say whether one of una or who go pick and why.
It's raining money. Hallelujah, it's raining money. Hey, amen. And I will leave it at pass. You are not well. Hey, it's raining. I say it's raining. When rain they fall, will be blessing.
Oh, showers of blessing.
Showers of blessing. Showers of blessing we need. That is how I will be showering myself. Every time anywhere I pass, I shall shower myself.
Okay. Finish all this your gist, make I give you one small story.
It is coming from above.
Okay.
I shall pack it.
Okay.
Nothing is wrong with it.
Okay.
I do not see a ball on it.
Okay.
And it is called rain.
Okay.
True. They won't arrest me for money.
Okay, wait, make I tell you one story. I dey pass that Third Mill Bridge. I think about December.
When you go, they fly.
Second week of December. This woman wear white clothes. All those white material where they wear. You go know say na sacrifice. And she carry calabash for hand. So the car wey carry her park for one side. She can't walk out. She dey talk. She turn around because traffic dey small. So she no even care who they look at.
Now,
She can't come out. She can't go the riverside. She can't dey pour the money. And boats, people wey dey catch fish.
Then they pick up.
They dey koja. So if that kind of money, you say, shebi una only una for this show talk say, everybody there, I shall not touch it.
You say everybody there. Now this one they come from up now, shoe.
No be she dey put from calabash. Now the woman dey pour.
I know they water now, and we go no say either the thing they pour
and they say for
bridge.
example, those ones who dey inside that boat. If you dey inside that boat, you will pick that money that time.
You go there enter water.
No.
And we don't say water they spoil jazz.
So when you enter the water, you don't die. So I go fish the money come out.
Now. You don't know. See, I they tell you, they say, but they get one day, but China know, when we come out one day, go do work, now we see about with correct goat head.
You see this
This one no we play, correct goat head with goat leg. Inside Calabash, for center of road. I don't go lie you. See, you never hungry. Who hungry, Never chop for 3 days.
Imagine man never chop.
You go carry the calabash, dust time, go roast the head.
You go put
Even
the calabash
I
for
they
head.
tell you, we go eat the calabash, take do pepper soup joy. Who dey inside boat, when never hungry, don't go catch fish since 7 o'clock last
Imagine
night
that
till
thing.
now. You never see fish catch.
You can't dey drop money.
You go collect and tell the person they throw the boss say thank you, sef. If na, you know the way people say this video where we see the person wey door pass, now the person wey carry camera, the camera the
thank
money.
you.
They
Na
tell
mumu.
you, me, I see money they fall for up. You know, say Nigerians, we they very religious. We know how they take tune something. Recently, they get one story of one woman. I even see the picture for Twitter.
Okay.
The woman see 12 million naira for airports. Now clean and she can't return
Yes,
now.
yes, she can't return.
No, she
am.
did that.
Somebody say, na pastor she be. I say, no, pastor. I say, na fear she fear.
Na fear.
Because
You know,
I
say
dey tell
get where you go poor rich. When you see 100K,
because I follow
you don't
person
go believe
talk.
say person fit get
No,
normal.
you know the thing is, I follow person talk. Say if na you, the person go say no. Say if na me, I go believe say na God na do am. I dey tell you. Then the person put on as a rough. Or the person tell me say the time where say na Abraham. I say when Abraham go where you see ram. Say na him get the ram.
That bush
Is it na person ram run for person farm go wolf inside bush. And Abraham go collect am. Say to say the person come to say na me get the ram. Waiting for apple. And the same thing. If the person come and say na him get the money where they pour. Waiting for apple. I beg if you see money they pour for na pick and draw.
It showers.
Where for me, I don't watch Yoruba films and sense. I know go pick am because the whole mentality of things where they happy. If I pick and turn to yam, who will help me?
I go help
turn
you.
to chicken.
I go
Who
help
cook
you.
you chop.
I go fry the yam.
That kind of money. Actually, you get one time where you be say with the at the past Osho this side, I dey inside motor. From another motor, you get another man. I know that whether na mistake I be intentionally. The man open briefcase and suddenly you know when they drive now, the breeze, now the money just begin fly.
And if they drive, they go.
And if they drive, they go. If you can't see Agbere in action, oh la la, hey, Oluwa ti bá wa ṣe
So
out there.
as they come the pack, how many tuber of yam you see?
They are
My brother,
or chicken.
I know, say I no see yam, but still I no go fit. I just no fit because not be my own. The person will get the money, like that instance now. The man they see the money they fly. At least he go tell the driver say
close the
why not,
briefcase now.
or he go close the brief. But he leave am, so he know
Na
wetin
the
they use am
intention,
do. Na the intention. I no go fit.
Okay, so you want
It's
to
not
be
that
now say
difficult.
that money
So, okay,
wey
but
dey
this one
rain
wey
from
happen for
up.
Dubai, you fit do am.
I no go do am. You know, say they don't know say for inside Nigeria say Justin's too much. They believe say for Dubai they know they that spiritual.
Juju
They
no dey
go
cross
say
water.
juju. So they go just look and say na blessing like Amaka talk, showers of blessing. Now until you see the repercussion, go come know say this one no shower well well.
Showers of repercussion.
See, ma tell you, if na me, I go collect that money. I go spend that immediately, or I carry and go bank. They will change the money for me. You know, guys, you want to do.
Huh?
No be
Queen
the
B,
money they
oh,
carry
Balo.
anything. Na the picking.
Okay,
No
na
be
the
the money.
picking.
Na the picking.
Make una hold on. The thing never even happen. Una don dey do get
They tell you,
plans.
don't they
No,
calculate?
because Amaka,
But the
if
value
it
wey I
happen
no
for
see.
Lagos and it dey happen for Ikotun now, I shall leave this show and go there.
Why you cut?
Rainy morning.
Why you be saying
No,
that
I just
Ikotun
dey
you
tell
no
you
If
how
you happen for
far.
far, if na
How
far
far
place.
is
Why you
it?
no use Ikorodu?
Okay,
Before
okay.
you
ma
reach
say,
there, they don't pack a phone.
anywhere.
They don't
Ikorodu, Abeokuta, say rain dey fall for morning. Traffic wey go hold people. People go park
Abeokuta,
their
if na
car
Abeokuta,
trek.
no go.
Go reach there for Lagos.
If na
because
Abeokuta, me I no go go.
why you no go go if
Na
na
headquarter be that too. Na headquarter be that too. I no dey go.
He said that
Na their headquarter.
headquarter of wetin?
Ayilala. Igwe rumole. I no dey
You
go.
Yeah,
go
Oshogbo.
go there with the blessings.
I know they go.
With the rest of mind, say if I go there, I get my purpose of going there.
Na for
And I
your
will
mind,
go there, and when it starts to rain, you just dey bless yourself.
Na for your mind.
That's it.
All right.
That's all.
If na you talk am.
All right, Amaka, it be like say you go drop us the cocoa of the day for now. Drop us the cocoa.
No,
of
we
the
still
day.
get one more.
We still get one more story now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Maybe don't ginger for Friday too.
I dey tell you.
Better give us the Friday, the number 4 story. I want to make you give us the number 4 story.
Okay, the number
Because we
4.
don't want to take them before.
Yes.
Okay, give us
The number 4 story na about husband where he be say in don tule. Yes, and say for inside Ogun State. Ogun State, the man wife born pikin where he be say kolakpa, the 2 hands no dey there when them born the pikin. And suddenly the man don't decide say this kind pikin I no go gree o na him to leave the wife for there. And even as he leave the wife, the landlord where they stay too come warn the wife, give am federal warning, say I dey warn you, you carry this pikin come my house, I go finish you. No carry this kind pikin come my house o. Say na only her make she enter the house. If I thought she go come back, the husband said and said this pikin I no wan see am for my house. Now she come dey beg federal government say I beg o make una come help me adopt this pikin o because I no get money and I no know wetin I wan use this pikin do. So the question now, shey na crime say person born pikin wey get coma? Because I believe say anything fit happen. You understand? So right now, if you born that kind pikin, wetin you as an individual go do?
Oh, wow. Some kind story dey very.
That's why I no gree read them. Actually, I escape am because
We come be say na Friday we come carry this thing put.
just ginger the story.
Now
Ginger
wetin
am,
dey
Amaka.
hot be that?
Ginger the story. Make we
I
move.
go try ginger and sha, but the man wicked sha. Now him put am.
Yes, so
We
that's
no
what
go-
them do.
that's what them do
together.
am. And them do am together. That's why we say she come born and he come run. Wetin be the purpose of him running? If to say him do am and Israel no get leg, if forget that leg run, he no think am.
Word.
But any which ways, the only thing I go talk for this matter na say make government try to help the woman. Because I know say, I don't know if you remember one man, he no get hand, he no get leg. Oyibo man like that, but he
public
get
speaker,
children,
get
I
yes,
house,
yes,
get
yes,
swimming pool,
yes.
get everything.
If this pikin come grow, come better pass that man, tell me say the papa no go run come back.
Why not?
He go claim everybody go want dey affiliated to pikin wey don make person and he no get handle. When dem born, everybody run comot. Now the woman suffer am. E go good if government takes that chook eye for this woman matter. Help am. When make that pikin see the light of day. Make the pikin no just die like that. Because person no get born, they born person without hand. No mean say the pikin no be better person.
Well, anyway, first of all, where you say it happened again?
Nigeria now,
Nigeria,
whether
for
na
inside, Ogun State.
Ogun State.
Ogun State. Where be the capital of Ogun State?
Abeokuta.
Bernard.
Wait now.
I don't see that. I didn't see that coming.
The last, you too much.
I know
The
that's
last
the one that they come
I don't
out like
think so
that.
that the headquarter be that. But anyway, on a more serious note, really, waiting the guy do, not try, make sense. And now for this part of the world, particularly for Africa, but I go talk for Nigeria because now Nigeria is sabi well. We see they look disability like saying a bad thing, like saying a punishment. Which be any Mary Slessor don't die tete we save twins. Shey we need another Mary Slessor we go help
Save
disabled children
disabled
again.
people.
We get disabled people we don't turn better things, better people for
yes.
this world. I know we like there plenty. But for here, we they overlook the abilities of disabled people. And really, disabled people are not gift them be. We both say there's ability in disability.
Yes.
I get one uncle, my mother brother. This guy na deaf and dumb. The wife wey marry na deaf and dumb.
Wow.
If you see the daughter with them born, if you know say na my cousin, the girl fine die. No be play at the play. This girl is beautiful. I
But
dey tell
she
you.
dey talk.
She complete head to toe. Over complete they worry himself. The guy the model.
Bernard, calm down, na your cousin. No?
Yeah. I know. But my point is say nothing past disability. In fact, these people they are where they say enter newspaper that time, enter one magazine back in the day. You know. So really, when you did disabled, now left for the people around you to help you. See, many a times people wey get disability, we lack one sense out of all the 5 senses. If like say that sense they go share, they add to the other ones wey dey. So they will get power. But on top that same cocoa matter, if it be say the woman no get power to carry the child because everybody don disown now.
Yeah.
When they find one good orphanage, put the pikin there. The pikin no go die, no go suffer. Even though we know say our orphanage, our motherless babies home, we still need to step them up.
Yes.
Because they still need more help. But really, they fit carry and go there because no be everything government go do. I no go lie.
Now,
They say make government help, no be everything government go do. Government now, they never solve election problem finish. They still they do election it. Make we carry that pikin, make they carry the pikin, go motherless babies home. If nobody there to take care of the pikin. But by the grace of God, we believe say better thing will happen for the pikin, sha.
Yes, I know my own part we say like you talk. I don't understand why disability can't turn to problem. It can't be like saying a crime.
You know.
God decide. He know why he won't cut off that person. I won't just use for example, Cobams.
Yes.
If Cobams produce the songs wey Cobams don't produce, even the people who get leg, hand, complete package, they no fit produce that thing. And the guy don't blind right from birth. We don't see people. I get as soon as I talk the matter. You know why the thing just come on me? He get one guy for Uyo. It's just the back of our house. Every time I go hear say person they cry. I don't know say na able disabled person. They actually building house near dog house. And they put on these people where they tell you so they rich well. Just because of fame, say they famous, make people no know, say they get that kind of person. So when visitor they come, in room they after the gen, in room, then dog's room. So imagine when visitor they, the noise of the gen, sometimes even they even get lights that they on gen. I can't just climb fence one day, say make I see him, he crawl, come as I head, they outside the door, they for ground. Then the cook self go give him food like this. She like push dog. Food like dog. Imagine that kind of person go they beg God to die. I think of recent time somebody come tell me say then discover say then get that kind of person for inside the house and they don't come carry him because I notice when I travel I no hear the sound again because they make sound, they cry. Maybe now pains, maybe now ribs they pain them because they say in hands, in leg everything just the ground, but in head and all that I know they feel moving tongue. Well, you know, decide to come life like that. This life sweet.
And nobody even don't cost them.
Yes,
come out like that.
and this pikin own, if you be saying some vitamins, the mama no take and some injection and some treatment. Now it cost this thing. No be saying something like witchcraft, except if they know where they forget the pikin.
Exactly.
Except if them know where they forget the pikin.
Well, for me, I really appreciate the fact that the woman even come outside as
so
well.
So she no kill him because some people go kill the
pikin.
pikin.
She no kill him, but at the same time, like Bernard talk, no be everything naim government feed do. So all these NGOs may they rise up to this woman situation, make them help her because it means say she actually try as mama to voice out say that this kind of thing to make una help me, I beg you. Anyway, make we know for 2 waste time on top the matter. We go just a small break, and when we come back here, you go know all the better things where they happen for on top talk. My ladies and my guy, and my beer after this break.
Hello, now your boy Bidiso, Chica 100%.
When you wake up in the morning sun, just give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante. What's up, my people? Now your boy Ajuju, and this na Talk on Wazobia TV.
Well, I don't hear me rich. All right, so I know say today na Friday.
Yes.
And I know say for weekend, so many people don't they plan so many things where they want to do.
Funky Friday.
What do you think say you go want to do today?
For
Bernard,
me?
yes.
I would like hang out this Friday. I know we like you. This Friday night. You don't take where I go.
Where you hang out.
Amaka,
Amaka, what about you?
It have to when me say I, you know.
Even
So
though we still get your birthday for
You know now.
for
You
corner.
know now.
Betiana.
No, not today actually. Naim Bernard go carry me go the beach where he say won't carry me since.
Yeah.
I no catch you for that one. If you waka go with the beach, oh.
Why if you go catch me?
No. Then they carry you go. Handle. He won't handle you.
I mean, I go handle now.
All right, but what thing I want to talk about today, I want to talk about rice. If I talk about rice, which of the rice you know? Say, just tell me the rice. When you talk about rice, tell me the type of rice where you know. Just tell me the rice. Ofada, which one again? The normal rice again.
Normal rice, Ofada rice. Then you get one abakaliki
Rice. Okay. Bernard, what about you?
Say Nigeria they don't cook away, they never cook.
The one where they never cook. No be the one where they never cook, they turn to waiting.
The one where they cook. And normal rice and Ofada rice. And Uncle Ben's rice. Hello, my name is Ben. After then we get abakaliki rice. Then we get this Chinese rice. Oh, Mr. Producer is wonderful. There's basmati rice.
Oh.
And then there's Chinese rice. There's Indian rice. Hello. And then we get Edo rice. Come on, chill.
Hey, which
Oh,
one
now
be
get
Edo
fun for
rice?
us.
That's not why they cook.
All right, Betiana.
You don't talk everything. Which one I won't talk again?
No, you get another one like where you know.
Apart from the ones where you don't.
White rice.
White rice.
All right, Martha, now. So somebody now asked me because those days when I did radio, I do cooking for TV. So I get into my Twitter, they always tell people recipe, waiting they go cook. I remember this incident will happen one Sunday like this. The woman actually sent me a message from Twitter. And she get luck, say that day I deal with my phone. I can't actually, she can't say I beg. No disgrace me. Me and my husband, now what she talk? Me and my husband on the quarrel. Now say waiting happen. She can't say the only rice where I sabi cook, apart from jollof rice, concussion rice, and white rice, and he say he don't tire. Waiting I go do. You know, say from that Twitter, now me and that woman chat, she they go market, they buy the things, she go market, buy all the things, then I can't tell her waiting to do. Yes, then get rice for house, but I can't make her do curry sauce. Then later, I can't talk about basmati rice. She had to beg me from my number for Twitter, ask me, say, waiting the basmati rice. I can't snap the picture, send to her, then she can't go buy her. That's why I want to talk about basmati rice today. When I know say I like food, and I always get, if you still follow me on top of Chop Chop every Saturday from 11 to 11:30, we'll talk about food.
But why they laugh?
Yeah, because the thing sweet me say at least. Yes,
when you call, come make you laugh.
You people follow me on Chop Chop Chop.
Because you will still follow me there to learn more. But why I want to talk this thing, we say, I happy say at least I changed the woman orientation for rice.
Yes.
Because the only thing, the children say tired, now just rice and stew, rice, jollof rice. Or father herself, she said she know they do, and why? Because of the stone where they did inside.
Okay.
That make me
So,
say no like.
no
I
be
don't like
everybody.
Ofada rice.
Not be everybody fits come out the stone and all that. So, but the rice now, how do they take cook? And now rice, so we say all these Asian countries, now they are major rice be that for Asian, because now they are major products be that so they bring for all those places. So basmati rice now something where they healthy too for those people where they diabetic. If you to get starch and all that, and if you eat them, they're very light. They're very light. So you don't need to say you they struggle. And I tell you, in a small minute, it done. She shouldn't even. Less than 20 minutes. I do mistake the very first time I cook. I put 2 cups. Thinking say small, you know go reach me now. I just put more. I eat that rice. Because it swell up like this. I can't look the rice. Okay, so what's go happen today? I want to finish it because now small I plan to eat. So if you want make and just add vegetable, just make and spice some more because you know they take for fire and it's good to eat healthy. So if you go outside today, no swallow and mala. No swallow pounded and benata kd because I know say you like a piece.
Yeah. Yes, so and
goat meat.
Like good yes, so and goat meat, of course. But you know, say well now you don't tell me I'll take save money because people say now corporation now they make rice full pot. So when I buy small of them go corporate, the rice go full. That's so now.
So I know say Betana too. Betana tell me to make I teach her how to make this rice. No worry, Betana, I'm with you for weekend. Okay, now curry sauce. She said make I teach her.
Queen Bee.
Now curry sauce. Why you don't look me? Now curry sauce not like.
Set up on top national TV.
No, wait here.
Anyway, as you
we are
don't
all
talk-
learners.
No, wait now. Maybe you don't finish.
Yeah, drop her.
As our guests say, hey, they're inside traffic, and since our guests no go fit come, but I sure say, he will pay the price.
He must pay the price.
He will pay the price.
Yeah,
No, but we know Lagos.
But right
I say,
about now-
Excuse me, why no come out since? Because of the automatic crane for.
Now when someone talk, say wait for.
But that really
Eye
is very
scam.
important.
Calm down.
I scam.
Oh yeah, give us the cocoa.
Yes. my people, if we never even chook mouth enter the Torino, if we run sharply enter our at talk Wazobia, man, drop everything we want, drop all the droppables. The cocoa of the day already did it, but now I will sunshine a cocoa of the day from my very safe mouth. Yes, cocoa of the day. You go fit take back your partner, as in person where you don't date before. You go fit collect and back after some kind things don't happen. As in, if you take them back when the going was hard. You don't the going is it the going is hard about the
When
the road rough. Yes, he won't leave you. He won't come back now. If you take him back.
Amaka, come where you dey sleep, the days where you dey think of.
No.
Amaka dey sleep left
I
hand.
just no understand me. You know some things will happen. You know all our Nollywood movies and all those things where they happen around us.
I guess you dey watch plenty.
Well. Is it possible you go fit? What we do okay now?
You see the one where I'm I be driver. And now your masala can't run. Then later when he hammers bank CEO, she can't come back, abi? Now the one where you
Where
use
am I nowadays, sir?
He dey house.
Question.
Have you?
All right, Amaka, back to your question. I think
my investor say you go fit take him back after
I go. It depends on how it run. It depends on how it run. If be say you just feel say, oh man, if you take your responsibility, so because me self, it no sure for me, you go. People they different. Some people feel manage it too. Some people feel say management self. The one where they get no reach, they don't to talk of share. So that means you no be giver originally. You know, say you get some people who no feel manage half where they get half, but they no feel share them. You will not get at all. But you get some way go say, okay, you know what? I get half, make I give you quarter. Just so that you go feel the taste. No be say I feel solve your problem. You understand? So maybe in comfy say you give you quarter, then the quarter no they come as half no they come as it's supposed to be. And then just I advise myself, move with left leg before your right leg meet up. You can't dey drag. When you call and sorry, I dey busy. You went off and get money, self. If you get money to buy recharge card. Now they talk, but I tell you, it depends on how it take go. I go fit, accept and back. If no be say it dey bitter, I go fit.
For me, I no go fit. No, I no go fit. Because number one, even if no be in terms of money, maybe it gets certain time when me and the person date together and probably maybe I know
Emotional.
what's now it's not be even emotional. Maybe I no quick get admission into school and you can't look me say maybe I be dullard or something.
I like this.
Or maybe I no quick get job and you feel say I be liability on top of your head and you no do it. It's different if you actually try to make sure say I get to that point and I me no come one follow or fit follow. But if you not do anything at all to help improve my situation and then you can't decide say you won't leave me and then things can't day okay, I don't come day on point, you won't come back. Sorry, I no go take you back. Apart from relationship self, as ordinary friend, I no go fit take you as friend because now be say you only day there to share my table with me.
Yeah.
When the food finish, you go carry your load pack, go. I know they find those kind of people. I no go fit.
And
I go tell you, I no go hide. I go tell you to your face, say, look, now this thing you do me, and I no fit.
You know why they laugh? You know why they laugh? I give them BlackBerry, we don't spoil. You know why? You know why he's spoil? Now they laugh. Now never hear my story. Because I put on Facebook as I just get this job, television job. I come for Facebook with Mike, say I did television. Now the first Facebook message we enter, and all my ex-girlfriend. As I see the message, hi, I just already for begin laugh. You see me say, and God so kind that day, I go for one event with the band they there.
You can't farm.
Farm.
Hello. Excuse me, I don't farm.
No, he actually interviewed the band.
Like Queen Bee.
But in farms, I see the
I
picture.
know
Where do
farms.
they call snap?
No, be say I farm.
selfish.
Now the band say, I want you to take a picture. Now I come near Ramo. We can smile. Yes.
The band
Bengali, Ejala, the big fish. See, you waka leave me say you no day. No look back, because
Just dey go like that.
I dey tell you, by the time you turn back, look me, you no go see me again. Yeah, you see me before, you no go know me again. I dey tell you true. Look, the truth be say, if you leave person, say I no get today, no means I no go get tomorrow.
True.
That one that the truth be that. And I dey always pity people where they always do this kind of thing because it's not about the now, like we go talk. No be waiting day now.
Now.
As Betiana been talk before, I no get. Wetin you do take help me make I take get. No be say I dey there I no get. You dey quarrel me every day, they disturb me. Say be like say you lazy. You no do this, you no do that. You don't help me. Still say I lazy. True. You don't try anything for me. Hello.
Uncle, why?
I like this part of Betana.
Uncle, why? Uncle, why?
Hello.
Uncle,
Yes.
why?
Now you see why you suppose they appreciate me. Because I know Bernard when they wear pants for streets, when he no get anything. And I say,
Betana today na Friday.
okay.
And you can't do this kind of thing. The guy packaged for weekend. Wow.
Oh, yeah, no
Tiana,
vex.
they scatter my
Shy.
All right, so my people, on top of our Twitter, make una go talk the one way concern
you go
about
take
there.
am.
This people weekend.
Betana.
You have been handled.
You keep quiet.
Okay, chill. You know this story, this Coco. You get one time where I know one person.
Okay.
You know, see the person tell me.
Wetin?
He say, you know, fit follow girl. We no get job. I say, oh really? Why you define that kind? He say because he get ambition.
Okay.
And if you say the girl will no get job, they lazy. I say, so if girl no get job, means the girl they lazy. You know, occur to you say some girls don't suffer, don't struggle. So they could think and say, "Be a housewife, they're supposed to end up as." And if the father married them, when after the wedding, you can't see the blessings. We go follow the wedding. Some people don't get patience to think and like that.
But out of 100 of
Out
those
of-
type, how many they work out? I just want to
My
ask.
dear, me self, I never sit down do the calculation.
Yeah.
So me, I don't know how many of those ones.
Okay, our tweets done they enter. Plenty people done they talk on top. All the story we done they talk sense. Don't forget, say, if you want to join the conversation, now on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Facebook they there for you at Wazobia TV NG, and Instagram they there. All the beautiful pictures of people like Handel and Co. And my ladies. And even though we were, you know, they there. The Instagram they there Wazobia TV. We get at Miriam 530, she say at Talk Wazobia, I know fit take him back once him done go na bye bye. Now like vomit, you fit swallow him back.
Yeah, but for my own part, I talk say it depends on wetin happen.
Where you come back
You understand? If na money involved, how much you should go. Or I rather make you come back, collect that money, and no collect that time, then I send you.
don't
back.
go.
Now you are talking.
No, I dey feel now.
At Miriam 530, the same person, she say, if this money matter enter Nigeria, I don't go pick am because Nigeria things no pure. But for Dubai, why not? If I don't spend them. At Mabel _38472, she talk say, Talk Wazobia, I no go fit take am back. She can now waiting she just put for there be that.
I like your answer, sharp one.
At Clementina _Paul, this one talk say, if I see that kind of rain, I no go mind though. Make the rain flog me well. I go
tell you.
Fire! See rain!
You dey talk that kind of thing. Make you come be saying our bank savings bust.
Wow!
And you don't already talk say, come on, like that. People will shine you.
But Queen
But I say, person I think
Basket. Now I will take back am. Basket. Akpere. I go just open the basket.
Hey.
say they don't put money for the
No,
building.
but na another angle with
The
this.
building
See
come,
this one?
the
Just
building
see
come
this one?
explode. They don't know. They see they collect customers' money they put inside.
You see the pour they go.
At Wilson Kajiams in Talk Wazobia. LOL. I will only do that when I want a side chick. But if I don't want, I can't take her back.
Yes, so.
Now that one talk. At Tana Omolaye talk say never. Now the simple answer be that. Never. I no go fit take
When
her
you
back.
see, when people when they don't break their hearts, they respond to something. You their response they different from people where it never happened to. So you see people like this. She just flashback. Never.
Okay, time down they go with as much tweets we go fit take on top the show today.
All right, so better.
Just say she end up.
Today.
Yes, so the conversation never end. You feel to go on top of Twitter.
You don't go
When you
Ghana
go talk at Talk Wazobia. Yes, so now so it's a B for us today. Now thank God it's Friday. Turn up
it
well.
up.
No drink and drive. And if you want drink, make sure say you go with somebody who go feel support. You make two often.
It's Friday.
But I be like say Amaka won't start the IO. Now
Amaka,
get my
is that
own
the
name.
Excuse me, I play alone.
Remain
You play alone.
Queen B.
Who knows how
Yes,
play,
and on
say
that
play, no.
note, you know, saying that ginger things, Friday things, you know, let the head down like we they talk. Uwe, my love, we still love you.
I
And
want
we go
lose
say
my-
by Monday, you go down ginger to join us for Inside the Studio. I say get well soon. My name still remain Bettiana Unweli.
Chi, poka, bajina to come, bajina to meji, bajina to rishi, komalo, poka. Yes, my name is Bernard, the only guy with the handle every and anything. If you be guest, you can't join us, I handle you too. Now you know. Well, accepted. Hello, hi. So, you know, as the debut today on Friday, make sure you enjoy yourself. Have a lovely weekend. But you know, so they said, I will the wrong belly. Too much of everything is bad. So as you enjoy yourself, make that the cotton to your gauge, to your limits. Amaka, when they play, you will not sabi play. Now she know what she want to talk. Yes, hello.
My people, they don't mind this bushman that thinks I don't know how to play Ayo. He should come, I will compete with him and I will win him. Yes, my name still remains Amaka Oku, therefore, and I must make sure I continue my groove today. It's Friday.
All right, so my people, you know, say party where they don't invite you, go I beg suffer chop for there because the wait herself no say they don't invite you. Your clothes go different from the rest. Now they on top of talk, we they always talk. So talk no be bad thing, but
Make you know what you talk about.